Welcome to the Nixon Mansion, sitting on and above the Truckee River in Reno, Nevada. I'm Donna Spear.
And I'm Tricky Watson, inviting you to a tour of this beautiful property built by Senator George Nixon in 1907. Welcome to the Nixon Mansion, built by Senator George Nixon in 1906. On the bluffs, this property drops down to the Truckee River. The iconic structure was purchased by the current owner about 15 years ago and completely refurbished and/or reconstructed over a 10-year period, bringing its systems and finishes into today's modern world, keeping the elegance of its old-world charm. From the beautiful foyer featuring one of 9 fireplaces, let's go down the hall to the Grand Ballroom that features a crackle finish wall treatment with Boiserie panels, oak floors with mahogany accents, and a side garden view. The adjoining City View bar features an 11-foot curved bar and opens to both the side lawn and lovely covered terrace overlooking the Truckee River and downtown Reno. Built for entertaining, imagine the easy flow from the hallway through this area to the outdoors. The ballroom also features original light fixtures and fireplace. From the ballroom, enter the salon, a cozy room to enjoy cocktails on a winter's night before dining. Moving through the foyer, let's visit the library with new and original glass-enclosed shelving. One opportunity for a pretty special office. Then we enter the dining room with original chandelier that can seat up to 80. Nice option when in the entertaining mode. A butler's pantry accompanies with nice amenities and adjoins the beautiful kitchen with La Carnot stove, double sub-zero fridge and freezer, and other chef-oriented features. Beyond this is a pantry, laundry, and service bath. This end of the mansion also has a guest bath and elevator access to all 4 floors. Let's visit the morning room with its special fountain and doors to the open and covered patios. From the foyer, let's go up the beautiful mahogany staircase to the main bedroom level. The primary suite features 2 baths. This one with a tub and adjoining dressing room. And this one with shower and its own dressing room. The adjoining office has its own fireplace and amazing views of the area. On this level are 2 more lovely suites, plus a sitting area and guest bath, along with access to an open-air patio for sunning and views of the Reno area and mountains to the west. Above this level are 4 more smaller suites and a sitting room. On the bottom level of the residence is a wine cellar, game room, and huge amount of storage along with the engine, all the modern-day mechanics and services to keep the mansion humming. Thank you for joining us on a brief tour of this beautiful offering in the wonderful historic section of downtown Reno. Please let us or your own realtor know of your interest in having a private tour.
Thank you for joining us on a brief tour of this beautiful offering in wonderful downtown historic Reno.
Please let us or your realtor know if you'd like to schedule a private tour.